Okay, so what was the last question we did?
Ma'am, congruent of triangles, if you show like the
Yeah, I just
um,
left the class in between, na? Like I just asked that we will continue in the next class.
yes, sir.
7.2. Okay, can you see my screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you were doing, I think, some questions, na? Then we left.
Yes, ma'am.
What was the last question we did? You were doing? Fourth? Fourth we did, na? Fifth, I think we have to do.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? From fifth. Okay. So the fifth question says, in the figure, the two triangles are congruent, right? The corresponding parts are marked. We can write this equals to this. How? Clear? So these two triangles are there. Then what you need to do, you need to prove them congruent. Once you prove them congruent, then you will write that this triangle is congruent to whatever triangle it is. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Everybody? No? Rega,
Yes,
Aduna? Clear?
yes.
Okay. Sandus, you are having a cold?
No, no, ma'am. I'm
Okay.
not having cold. Ma'am,
Okay.
why were you asking, by the way?
I just found that your voice is little bit changed today, so I thought maybe cold or something.
No, no, ma'am, no.
Okay. Okay, so you people can start doing the fifth one, then we will discuss the answer. Okay? I hope you people
Okay,
know how to do it, right? These two triangles are there, you have to prove them. They are congruent. So for example, angle N is equals to angle T, like this. Okay? You can see, just look at the mark and write it like that. Okay?
Good evening, Mom.
Good evening, Chakrika. How are you?
I'm fine, Mom. How are you? Sorry for the late, Mom.
Okay, okay, no problem. I'm good. Okay, you have to start from the fifth one. Okay?
Okay, Mom.
done, ma'am.
Mom, actually, I was done with the fifth question in last class.
Okay, we are done. Okay. Okay, so let's just discuss the answer then. Okay, in case if others have not done it. So how do you prove that this triangle was congruent to other one? Tell me.
Ma'am, I thought we were doing the sixth one.
Oh, I just asked for the fifth one. I guess. This one, no? RAT. Everybody is done with the fifth one in the previous class only?
Ma'am, but I don't think we discussed the answer.
Yeah, that's why I was not
Yeah,
aware.
ma'am. Yeah. I've done it, but like we did not discuss. I didn't finish that on time, so we have to.
Yes, because I left 5 minutes earlier in the next class, no?
Yeah, ma'am.
In the previous class. So today no, I can't take today, but that's not nice. Okay. Now in this one, basically, let's just do. Okay, in these two triangles, okay. So first one, you can see this angle T is equals to this one is equals to angle N, right?
Ma'am,
Angle
basically,
A is equals to angle.
basically triangle RAT is congruent to triangle
Hmm.
WON
Yes.
because of these conditions.
Yes. And this W is equals to angle W is equals to angle R. Now, basically, what over here they are not asking you the criteria, which criteria you are using. They are asking you if it is RAT, right? Then what you will write over here? You can write O N W W N O, but how will you write? So you can see R. R is equals to W. So first what will come? W. Okay. Then A. A is equals to O. So you will write O. And T is equals to N. So this is equals to triangle WON. Clear? In case if you write it like this NOW, na, then it is wrong. Clear? I hope you got my point what the question was asking. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is what you have to
Yes,
find.
ma'am.
This R is equals to W. So that's why you wrote first W. Then A, O, T, N. Right? Here. And in figure, in case if any of you is having a doubt how to find it, that whether R is equals to T or this, you can see in this they have single angle. So here single angle, they both are equal. Here you have two lines for the angle. So this is equals to this. And here you have three. So this is equals to this. Clear? This is how you have to find. Okay. Now in the sixth one also same. Clear? You have to find this side. So quickly do the A and B both and then we will discuss the answer. Clear? Everybody?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Abdullah, you also got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Ma'am, sixth one done. Ma'am, I'm also done with the sixth.
Okay,
Ma'am,
so
I'm
you and
already
Abdullah.
done. I was already done.
Okay, Abdullah.
Oh, ma'am, I'm doing cross check.
Okay, do it.
Done, ma'am.
Done, Abdullah?
Yes.
Okay. So who will tell me the sixth one? Triangle BCA is congruent to?
Ma'am, BCA.
BTA.
Yes, BTA. Clear? Okay. Next.
TPQ.
T.
Yes, TPQ. Good. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, in a square sheet, draw two triangles. Okay, no need to do this. Okay, do this one. If triangle ABC and PQR are to be congruent, name one additional pair of corresponding paths. What criteria do you use? Clear? Do you know what is this? Corresponding paths, right? Additional corresponding path. Clear? So first, if ABC and PQR are to be congruent, they are congruent. We have to name one additional pair apart from what is given over here. Clear?
Ma'am, ma'am, we just have to write the criteria name, right?
Yes, and one additional pair.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
I'm sorry, I didn't heard what you have to do.
So first of all, over here, by looking at the figure, you will say that, ma'am, these two triangles are congruent, right? And then you have to tell one additional pair apart from this. In the figure, automatically you can see this, and this, right? They both are equal. This and this, they both are equal. You have to find one more pair, right? That will make it congruent. Clear? Fine?
Ma'am, you actually said answer.
No. I told, see, they are asking you, this have to be congruent. To be congruent means they are about to be get congruent, right? This is already given in the question, right? B is equals to Q, C and R, right?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Yes, now you have to find the third one. Okay, just by looking at the figure.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me, what is the third one? Anyone?
Ma'am, A and P.
Others?
yes, ma'am.
A and B?
No, ma'am, A and
No,
P.
A and P, ma'am.
P.
P. P. I said P.
Angle A and angle P, how? Which criteria you, this is a right angle triangle. So RHS. So there should be one side now. Yes or no? Or angle.
Yes, ma'am.
There will be the third one will be your side. Clear? Okay. Yes?
So the criteria used here is RHS, right?
Yes. So that's why two angles you have. Right? And this is one. So another one would be your side. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
The third pair would
Okay,
be your
ma'am.
side. Okay? So you can take any side. You can take BC and DE, any side. This BC and the other one. Clear?
Yes,
BC
ma'am.
and QR. Getting it? See. Now the question is, ma'am, why you took BC and QR only? Because you can see BC, there is this 90 degree as well as the angle. And in PQR, RQ also, one this and this, right? So now I have three criteria. One is angle B is equals to angle Q. Angle C is equals to angle R. And the third one is your BC is equals to your QR. Clear? Fine. So this will be your third pair.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine with everybody, Vega?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you can note it down. This will be your third pair. Okay. So the another. So by
Done.
observing, how will you write it? You will write it like this. By observing the figure, we got to know this and this. Okay. Then you will write this and then you will write one additional pair of corresponding part is this BC and QR. And then everybody.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Done. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now quickly do the 10th one. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am. I'm done.
Done.
So tell me the answer.
Because of AS condition.
ASA condition.
AAS.
AAS.
Angle side.
AAS or ASA?
Angle side.
No, there is no such criteria. Angle, sum. It is angle, side, angle.
Ma'am, but we had it, ma'am.
No, we don't have. We write it like this ASA, na?
No, ma'am, for us we had it.
Okay, you did it in the class.
Yes, ma'am, in our school we had it, so I thought.
Okay. So you wrote
could
it
do it.
like this AAS.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but usually we write it like this. You know, the 4 criteria I gave you: angle, side, angle. Okay.
Okay,
Like
ma'am.
basically, you see, though if you write it like this, also the main meaning is going to be same, right? But the thing is
Yes,
that
ma'am.
most of the when you go in a higher classes, they follow this only, right? So if your teacher is correcting it, not a problem. But yeah, if
Okay.
in case there is no criteria for it, you can go for ASA.
It
Okay.
was in a textbook also, so
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So I hope everybody got the answer now. Yes. Yes.
Yes,
No.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So now, students, I'm giving you 5 minutes to revise because we are done with the chapter, right? So what we are going to do? These are the criteria. I hope you people remember all the criterias, right? So quickly revise it, and then I will give you a few questions assignment on this chapter. You will do it, and we will discuss the answer in the next class. Okay? You people will
Okay,
share
ma'am.
me the answers after the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, 30 minutes assignment would be there. So still we have 5 minutes. I'm giving you 5 minutes, and then we will start with the assignment. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Students, done? Should I show you the flipper? No? Yes?
Just to say.
Should I wait?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, can you wait for 2 more minutes?
Okay. Yes, Chakrika, I got your message.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, so now there is one term called CPCT. Okay, so CPCT is basically nothing. It's like, for example, I said Vega and Chakrika are congruent to each other. Okay. So the question was from how they are congruent. So I proved that Vega has two hands, Chakrika has two hands. Vega has long hair, Chakrika has two long hair, and Vega has two eyes, Chakrika also has two eyes. Okay. Now I proved these three things, and I said that because of these three reasons, they both are congruent to each other. Now, randomly somebody came and they asked me that, uh, you know, Vega has one nose and do Chakrika has also one nose. The nose of Vega is equals to nose of Chakrika. So I said yes. Why? Because they are congruent to each other. That means each and every part or each and every side of their body is equals to this. So over there, I will not give you any. Once you prove them congruent, and after that, if somebody asks you that whether they are this part, this is equals to this or this, you simply write it yes, because CPCT, congruence, part of congruence triangle, because you prove them congruent. After that, everything will be equal. Clear?
Ma'am, so we write CPCT theorem only when they ask us to prove if this side and this side are equal.
Yes. Once you prove the congruent, only then you will use the CPCT theorem.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So over there, once you prove them congruent, and if
Ma'am,
after
how
that,
do
if they
we
ask
write
you that whether this is equal to this is, you will say yes, and the reason you will give it will be this CPCT.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, like how do we write it after uh, um, finding out that they are congruent?
Sorry.
Like how do we write it after finding out that they are congruent?
No. So first you will write all the three criteria here, and here you will mention that this triangle is congruent to this,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
And then you will write, for example, they ask you any side, you will write here, and the reason you will go with CPCT. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any other questions? Should we start with the assignment?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can start. I'll scroll it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, do we need to draw triangles for the second one?
Yes. You can draw. See, triangles are basically you have to draw in this chapter because that is going to fetch you the marks. Plus, they will make the question more easy for you.
Okay, ma'am.
Because instead of reading again and again to the question, if you draw the figure, automatically you can see and you can check whether this is equal to this or not.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the second question, like we have to prove that this is true.
Which one?
Like in the second one, angle PQR is equal to FAD. We have to prove that is it true.
Yes, you have to find the additional information as well. 2 is already given, right? 2 sides are already given. Now you have to find the third one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you scroll down? Ma'am, in the fourth one, we just have to find the criteria, right? Like, no need to, like,
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, is the given ZX is equal to IP
Hmm.
related to that?
Yes. Fourth one only.
Done,
Okay.
ma'am. Can you? Scroll down.
Okay, everybody is done till fourth.
Yes.
I'll do it like this then. Okay. Everybody is done till fourth. Should I scroll it to the fifth one?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is there any figure given for the sixth one? Mom, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Mom, in the sixth question, can we use two properties, like two criteria?
In this?
Yes, mom, in the sixth one.
Yes. So what in sixth one?
Can we use two properties, like two criteria in the sixth one?
Yeah, any. You cannot use two properties. You have to use only one, and you can use any. Okay. Out of two, you can use any one. Yeah.
Out of two, we can use any.
Yes, any one. Okay.
Ma'am, total how many questions are there?
I will. We don't have much time, so we will do a 9 or 10 questions. Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Mom.
Okay, done, students. Should I scroll to the 9th one so that we can finish it till 9?
Yes, ma'am.
And Abdullah, you got the 28 out of 30? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations. So where do you lost the 2 marks?
Ma'am, one question.
Okay. What was the question?
I think it was algebraic equation.
Okay. So basically you did the calculation mistake?
No, I found the equation wrong.
Okay. So just have a look at that question, and if you didn't get it, let me know so that you don't do mistake in the finals.
No, ma'am,
Okay.
I got it.
Okay, you got it. Okay, very good. And others, I think the marks are good. But yeah, whatever, wherever we lost the marks, we will learn that mistake and we will not repeat it. Okay. And keep
Yes.
it up. Next time, I just want full marks. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.